Guys, I just bought a strawberry watermelon quencher and a double chocolate donut. Alright, let's dig in. My fave. Last bite. Oh, that face expression that I did. It's just because I have a. Give me a sec. It's because I have. It's because I have a canker sore. If I could see it right there. Right there. Yeah, right there. Right here. Yeah, that's why I made that face expression. Like salt, it just, yeah, if salt goes on that canker sore, it will sting. Same with toothpaste, mint toothpaste, it will sting. And like pop too. I don't know why pop too, but yeah. But besides that, that donut was delicious. And I'm still drinking the quencher. Like there's still like so much left. So yeah. And yeah. If you enjoyed this video, have a great day. See you later, everyone.